I wear sunglasses. I'm gonna wear sunglasses.
Yeah, put sunglasses on.
They're killing me. I look so angry without them. Welcome to the headquarters of Brandenburg Plumbing. All of our customers see our technicians, they see our trucks and all those kinds of things, but they don't really know what's going on behind the scenes, the engine that runs, so they know what they're getting when they call our company. These are the front offices of our building where our customer service representatives answer your phone calls, do all kinds of paperwork and things that are generally really boring. It's why I hired them. My mom is right back here. She does all of our accounting, kind of keeps us all straight. Right behind the camera is our CSR Mike. He's on lunch right now because, you know, we're just nice like that. We considered not giving him lunch, but not sure if he deserves it or not. We're gonna go back into the warehouse. This is, you know, my stuff. Every single white box that you see represents a separate item that we keep on our trucks. There's about 340 various items. We keep stock of a lot of things that may not be around here, being out in the hill country, just so we're able to get people a little faster, get them up and running, because, you know, if you don't have water, what is life, right? Like, it just, no one knows how important plumbing is. As we kind of come back, you can kind of get the scale of everything that we have in here. We carry everything from water treatment parts to faucet parts to all of our copper fittings and brass fittings. Right here is where we normally have our meetings, meet with all of our guys, all the technicians in the morning. When they show up on time, usually about once a week on Thursday mornings we meet. We keep stock of water heaters because we are a 7-day service company. The supply houses are closed on the weekend. So if someone has a leaking water heater, something like that, we want to make sure we have it so we can get hot water back on for them. Okay, so here we are in kind of our equipment section of the shop. We store all of the fun toys that we have. You know, we'll start with our concrete saw. Very regularly we have to cut concrete. You know, we have assorted power tools on here. Might be old sawzalls, drills, things like that. We have a lot of like cordless air compressors. You'll notice like a lot of the stuff that we have is cordless because we're just out in fields all the time. This is Burnet, you know, Burnet County, so everything needs to be able to work on a battery. We keep a lot of different things, like we have a smoke machine that actually will blow smoke into your drain system if you're getting a sewer smell in your house, and it'll show us where that smell could be coming from. We have sewer cameras we can put down into your lines, and those actually emit a radio signal off of the head of them. So if we run it down the line, we see some roots growing in, we can pinpoint exactly where that is. That way, you know, we can kind of contain any repair we need to do to a specific area. Saves money, keeps, you know, any extra work from having to be done. So makes us more efficient, lower bill for the customer. We love that. And of course, we just have an array of drain cleaning machines. Even beyond that, we have hydro jetters. Those are really, really good for kitchen sink lines. And so any small hair roots, grease, things like that, just completely blows them away. You could almost eat off your sewer line. Don't actually eat off your sewer line. These cameras can take video, they can take pictures, all of which get loaded up into our system and is available to our customers immediately so they can, you know, feel like they know what's going on with their plumbing. High-speed drain cleaning tool shoots, it has all these carbide tip chains on it. You can actually run a camera in along with this and watch as you're getting the drain all cleaned out and everything. So we really invest heavily into sewer drain cleaning equipment. Brandenburg Plumbing's been here about 27 years. We've ran into lots and lots of problems and gotten to come up with solutions to those problems. And that's reflected in the amount of equipment that we carry. All right, that was a tour of our offices and our warehouse. The biggest thing we wanted everyone to be able to see is that when they call Brandenburg Plumbing and they have a technician show up at their door, we have 7 licensed plumbers. We have me, you know, my mom has been in this business for 25 years, obviously. We have Mike. Everyone working together is a massive knowledge base for our customers. Basically, whenever you call Brandenburg Plumbing, it's not just a technician. It's a professional company. It's not just a plumber in a truck. It's an entire organization working towards solving your problem, which, you know, maybe we're just changing a stop out at your house or just something simple. So no matter what they're doing, whether it's a small job or a really complicated job, you have all of this behind them, making sure that that job will be successful.